SALEMA project is an opportunity because it's the trend that automotive is facing towards more sustainable aluminum alloys, especially for structural parts. And so increasing the recycle and reuse what we already are using, so what we already imported as critical raw material, is the very key to solve this problem. We provided the design, the original design of the component to create the SALEMA demonstrator, and so we also provided help in developing it with its mechanical properties when it is needed and where it is needed for the final use. We have very promising results and very good results with respect to what we asked, and so it's very promising alloy and promising components for us. I think that the results, the outcome of this project is very interesting because it goes to fill a sort of gap that there was between the development of these recycled alloys with what the industry asks. So high recycled alloys, end-of-life scrap recycled alloys with high mechanical properties, but not from just an academic point of view, but a real industry level. Yes, sure. More aluminium is lighter and also more sustainable, and so I think that it would be also pleasant to drive that with that in mind.